Welcome everybody. I hope you had a great summer and I hope you're really excited to start out 7th grade gifted and talented social studies. So I often get asked in my live classes, Miss Mace, what the heck is social studies? Because in elementary school, it's divided up slightly differently, but social studies incorporates history, geography, economics, civics, and political science. Sometimes it also includes sociology and psychology. So it's a huge thing. But the main point is this is kind of where your history, geography, learning about other people's lives. It's not language arts, although we use a lot of language arts and a ton of writing. It's not math, but we use a ton of statistics. So it lives in this awesome zone of just all the cool things you want to learn about in the world. Science is awesome too, and we bring in a lot of connections to science, especially geography. So we are going to quickly go over what we are doing this week. You'll be watching a couple of videos from me every week that will either introduce the content or just walk you through what we're doing for the week. So first we go to our session plan, which is where you find this video, okay? And the session plan is going to tell you what we're doing for this week. This week you have 3 graded items, the syllabus survey, so that's to make sure you read and understood the syllabus. The parent or guardian tour, so you're going to sit down with a parent and actually show them how our class works so that they're not just like, oh, you get on the iPad and then something happens and you learn social studies. No, they're going to tell them exactly what's going on here. And then getting to know you discussion. So that's just some facts about ourselves. We're going to have you weigh in on what your favorite era of history is, and I have put my answers to those questions in there, as well as my bio. So if you're really ambitious, record yourself. I know everyone's like, I can't record myself. My voice sounds weird. Get used to it. You have a physical presence. You're a real body. Use it. Project. Show us who you are. So extra points if you can get your webcam working and try it out. You can also do it from your phone and upload that to YouTube or wherever you like. Share the link. But the Schoology discussion post has the option to actually upload a video. Then the suggested schedule is here. Thursday, we want you to kind of review this information and make an initial post in the Getting to Know You discussion. Then we want you to reply to other classmates and sometime that weekend sit down with a parent. And the last thing is we want you to join the JVA student group. So there are directions on how to do that. So every week we'll go through the things in the folder in order. So here, we don't want to skip around too much because it's been organized this way on purpose. So it's going to be a lot harder if you just pick one at random or the one that looks easiest and go to that. Because guess what? The whole point is to build you up to the assignment. So it'll take much more time if you don't go in order. So that having been said, I want to show you a couple of features. Here's an assignment page. On an assignment page, that's the one with a little pencil. You'll have to read the information and scroll way down. Scroll way down to your parent tour questions. All our assignments are in this format. It will be a Google Doc. Yours will have your own unique name up here, so you don't have to make a copy or any of that jazz. It's already named for you. You'll never forget to put your name on your paper again. Woohoo, internet. And then there's some introduction. There are steps. Here are your steps to introducing your parent to the course. And then you have some questions about the parent tour. You can type those right there. And then maybe you want to make them bold or something so I know that it's your answer, and then you will submit the assignment through here. Okay? All right, and then I can look at your assignment that's in progress. None of you have opened this assignment because you don't have access to the class yet, of course. And then you'll be able to view, and I'll be able to view your submissions from here. So when you want to go back, you go to orientation, click your first folder. If you're joining us late, don't worry about the 16th through 20th date on here. Everyone will do this orientation first, no matter what week you join our class, though. Not to worry. All right, at the end of a session, you'll just go and make sure that you have done everything for that week. That's Sunday night is when you need to be done with everything for this class, so that it's not late. So you have a whole week. There's a suggested schedule that will go Monday through Sunday. for you down here. And I think you'll really like how independent it is, but it can be dangerous to procrastinate, so don't do that. I know it's very tempting, very natural to procrastinate, but it is something we want to work. Okay? All right. So I am here to help you organize your time if you find that that is a challenge. If you email me, if you are aware enough to email me and say, Miss Mace, I have left it all till Saturday night and I don't have much time tomorrow, please let me know what I can do. I will talk to you about it. And it seems like we will have to do some prioritizing. But a lot of an online class is learning to work independently and efficiently. Okay? So, that all having been said, as a gifted learner, it's sometimes easy to get fixated on one assignment and not want to finish or not want to go on to another, or you want to finish before class is over in your real life classes. So the nice thing about this is you can work on something till you're done with it. So enjoy that flexibility for sure. Okay, I'm going to be quiet now and let you get on with your work. Mace out.